Hello and welcome to your public library. This is an introductory video discussing library services at the local public library. Let's get started. This is an overview of our web page. As you notice, it is chock full of information. You can see, starting on the left-hand side, various links to various things, such as an account that you can establish at our library, the classic catalog, how to obtain a library card, our online resources, information about public computers and their usage at our library, the eMedia library, and how to become involved at your local public library. Ways that you can do this are by volunteering, always offering suggestions and comments, and of course attending library board meetings. Let's get started with our first department. If you should ever come into the library and have a question, the department that can assist you is our reference department. There are again lots of resources that are in online or in print from our premium databases. The reference department is here to anticipate and meet the information needs of the users of our community. We will do this for you in a timely, accurate, and professional manner. We strive to effectively communicate the library services, resources, and policies that are designed to help and assist you. It should be noted, however, that our reference department is not able to do certain things for certain questions. For example, if you are coming in wanting legal advice or medical interpretation, our reference staff will not be able to assist you, but they can direct you to some resources that you can research yourself. Let's move on. Further along, we have two specific areas, one being teens, the other being children, that will have a discussion in our LibGuide on Reader's Advisory for each. We have vast amounts of resources that can be dedicated to helping teens and children when it comes to either homework help, finding a good book, things that we do as far as after-school programs, story times, and of course, how parents can always increase the mode of literacy among the teens and children. With that, we again will have further information provided in our LibGuide on various tabs on our web page. Another item that you might not have thought too much about is the new and upcoming item where a lot of people are using it through mobile devices, tablets, or reading at their desk or at home, and that is the use of ebooks. We're on the page that talks about the various types of content that we actually have and the devices that you can use to download. We do have a separate tab also in our LibGuide that will discuss how to download, how to search a catalog, and how to make sure that you're using the correct device to connect to our catalog. Other services that the library can provide you, for example, is interlibrary loan. If there is a book that you want to read but you don't have it, well, maybe we can find a way to get it for you from another library. Almost any book, whether hardback or paperback, is eligible for interlibrary loan if it was published within the last 6 months. So this request can be done for you at your local public library, in which we again connect to different libraries to get reading materials and resources that you so desire. If you are unable to come to the library or have circumstances beyond your control, don't forget that we actually offer a bookmobile. And so with that, if you like to read but are having difficulty coming to the library, consider coming to one of our locations for the bookmobile. We also have other items that are included that you should know about as part of our services: our library card, our circulation policy, our fine and fees policies, the internet policy, and of course, if you wish to use a meeting room, our meeting room policy. All of these are set by our library board. We have a vast collection for you to examine, and again, we would love to have you come to your local public library. Thank you so much for listening to this video on an introduction to library services.